So welcome to the next video lecture in data structure, inserting a node in doubly linked list. Okay, so today we're going to see how to insert a node in doubly linked list. Okay, these are the basic operation inserting a node in doubly linked list. Okay, same thing, we are inserted a certain node in singly linked list, we can able to insert a certain node in doubly linked list also. Okay, these are three different operations. One is inserting a node at beginning or first. Okay, second one, inserting a node at last or end. Third one, inserting a node at specified position in the corresponding linked list. Okay, these are the three different ways of operation present in the inserting a node in doubly linked list. Okay, so we are going to see one by one. So first one, inserting a node at beginning. Okay, how can able to insert a node at beginning? So we have to think ourselves. So each node in doubly linked list having three fields. One is called as a previous field, second one data field, third one next field. Okay, so remember these points. So first node previous field having null pointer, and the last node next field having null pointer represent that is the first node, that is the second is called as an last field occupies null is called as an last node. Okay, this point should be remembered. Okay, when we are going to create a node, so later we have to insert a node at any different as a position. It may be insert at last, insert at middle, or insert at first. Here we are going to say insertion of node at the beginning. Okay, these are the key points we have to remember. Check whether the list is empty or not. If the list is empty, that we call a head equal to equal null. That is, list is empty means we cannot able to insert any node. Okay, we have to create. So later we have to insert. Okay, check whether the list is empty or not. If the list is empty means, okay, we have to insert and in different as a position. Okay, if list is not empty, then node will be inserted in beginning. Okay, take an example. If head equal to equal null, okay, we have to create a node, then we have to insert a certain data in a doubly linked list. If some other node is present in the linked list means we have to insert at the beginning only. Alright, here we are going to see the examples how can able to insert a node at a beginning. Alright, so taken first one, check whether head equal to equal null. Okay, if head equal to equal null means the list is empty. Okay, the list is empty means we can able to create a node. Alright, so it's already explained how to create a node. So this is called structure creating variables. First one, struct is a keyword, node is a tag name. We have to create a three different as fields. One is called as a data field, previous field address, next field address. Okay, this we call a self-referential pointers, and then after that head pointer equal to null. Okay, this is our program. So void is return type, insert underscore first. Okay, that we call as a function name int x. Okay, we are going to insert set a data into my doubly linked list. Okay, x is called as our data, that may be 10, 20, anything else. Struct a node, we are going to create a new node, because when head equal to null means then only we have to create a new node. I am going to create a pointer, that is called as a new node. After that we are having a different as a function for dynamic memory allocation. One is called as a malloc, calloc, okay, free. These are three different ways of memory allocation. So malloc is going to allocate a memory, that is called a size, for each and every node. Okay, that is dynamic allocation means we have to insert more number of nodes into my linked list. Okay, size of struct node. What is the size of struct node? So integer occupies for 32-bit 4 bytes, and then tar next occupies 4 bytes, previous also occupies 4 bytes. Okay, 4 4 4. Okay, totally we are having 12 bytes of size. Okay, allocating a memory size, and it is called as a type conversion struct node star, because when you are going to point to the next node address, okay, then only we have using a type casting here. Okay, this should be stored in a new node pointer variable. Okay, inside the pointer variable only we have to store our nodes. After that, so new node pointer data. Okay, this is our new node. We have to create three fields. One is called as a previous field, next field. Initially previous field occupies null, next field also occupies null. Okay, our data should be 10. Okay, what is the value of x now? x is 10. Alright, so new node defines data. Okay, that is pointer data. This is our data equal to 10. I have to check the condition here. So what the condition is? If head equal to null. Okay, if head equal to null means list is empty. Okay, none other node or no node is present in the linked list. We have to create a node. We have to insert a node. Okay, after that new node is called as 1000. Okay, 1000 previous. What is previous? This is called as a previous equal to null. I am going to assign null because this is the only one node. And then after that new node next. Okay, this is new node next. What is next? Equal to null. Okay, later head equal to new node. What is new node? So new node having 1000. Okay, so after that we have to rechange head pointer should be changed into null should be changed into 1000. Okay, have understand head equal new node. What is new node value? 1000. Okay, after that we have to create a link from head pointer to the first node. Okay, here node is inserted at first. This is the only one node present in the linked list. Okay, W linked list. Okay, so how can able to identify this is the first node, this is last node means previous node field, that is previous field having null. Okay, this is null, that is new node previous equal to null. After that new node next equal to null. So new node next also null means, so both a null, this we call as the first node, this we call as a last node. Okay, this is the first condition. We have to check the condition head equal null means we have to create a single node into my linked list. Okay, have understand? And the second scenario, what the second scenario is, some other node is present in the linked list. Okay, some other node means we are having existing node. It may be 2 node, it may be 3 node, it may be 4 node, anything else. We are going to insert at a first beginning, else list is not empty. Okay, if some other node is present in linked list, because I am having 3 nodes. So node 1 is 1000, 2000, 3000. We are having 3 fields. One is called as a data field, and then previous field, and then next field address. Same thing, we are having 2 pointer. One is called a previous pointer, this is called as a next pointer. Next point to the next node address, previous pointer point to the previous node address. Okay, here we are having a first node previous field occupies null, last node next field occupies null, because this is the first node, this is the last node. Okay, this is the structure you have to know. Date pointer point to the first node of the linked list. What is the first node? 1000. Okay, this is our scenario. Some other node is present in linked list. My aim is, our scenario is, we are going to insert a certain node into my linked list at beginning. Okay, this portion I am going to insert. So how can I able to insert? Okay, here it's a new node, address is 5000. We are having data is 10, and then next field occupies null, and then previous field occupies null. How can I able to create a link from this node to this node means we have to create a link from new node to the new node next field to the old node first node. Okay, and then we have to create a link from this node to new node address, previous field address. How can I able to create? Okay, using this condition, new node next. What is new node? This is new node next equal to head. Okay, new node next. What is new node next? This is new node next equal to head. What is head? That is 1000. Okay, automatically new node next equal to head. Head is, what is the value of head? 1000. Okay, here new node next should be changed into should be changed into thousand. Okay, if changes means I am going to create a link from this position to this node, that is old node. Okay, we have created new node next equal to head means this is new node next equal to head. What is the value of head? 1000. 1000 should be stored in new node next. Okay, have I understand? And second one, head previous. This is head. What is head? 1000 previous. Previous means null. Should be changed into new node. What's new node value? New node value is 5000. Okay, what is the value of new node here? So new node is here, new node is that is 5000. Alright, because this is head. I'm going to explain once again. Head, the head is 1000. 1000 previous. What is previous? This is previous equal to new node. I'm going to change. There is link from second node to the first node. Alright, here I'm going to change because so each node having two fields. One is called as a next field already created. Okay, from this pointer to this pointer I have created. Here also we have to create it. Alright, we have to create from this side. That is, here I'm going to mention 5000. Okay, we have created a certain link. Alright, and then later we have to change new node previous equal to null. So already new node previous equal to null should be changed. New node is 5000, previous equal to, because this is the first node, this is our last node. Alright, insertion at beginning. So later head equal to new node, because head already point to which location? Previous, that is initial node of the address, that is 1000. Here I am created some node, I am inserted some node into my linked list. So later have to change head pointer equal to new node. What is head pointer? Head equal to new node. What is new node address? So new node address is 5000. Okay, this 5000 should be changed, that is 1000 should be changed into 5000. Alright, automatically link is created. That is, link is created. Okay, have you understand? So once I am teach you, that is head node define next equal to head node, that is new node defines next equal to head. What is head? Previous 1000. 1000 should be stored in new node defines next. Okay, and then head previous, this is head previous equal new node. What is new node address? 5000. We have created next node address, previous node address. So after that new node pointer previous equal to null. Okay, we assign, and then later we have to change head pointer equal to new node. What is head pointer? That is 5000. Okay, so we are inserted a certain node at first in the doubly linked list. Okay, so after that we are calling the function display list to display all the elements present in the linked list. Okay, this is the way we have to insert at beginning. Okay, so thank you for watching this insertion at beginning.